an output type of question based on files. Find the output of the following C++ code considering that the binary file products.dat exists on the hard disk with a list of data of 500 products. So given that there is a binary file product.dat, so this is the binary file product.dat and it contains 500 products or 500 records. So this is product 1 or record 1. This is product 2 or record 2. This is the last record, product 500. So altogether 500 records are there or 500 products are there in the binary file product.dat. To answer an output type of question, step 1, memory should be allocated for the global variable. So here above the main function and outside all functions there are no variables. So program does not contain global variable. Execution of a program starts at the main function. Fstream is a class. In is an object of a class. If an object is encountered, two things are there to be done. One, memory should be allocated for all the data members. So the data members given in the syllabus are put pointer and get pointer. Here the file is opened for reading purpose, so you need to consider only get pointer. So here memory should be allocated for get pointer. Now the 0 argument constructor initializes get pointer with a -1. Now the open function opens the file product.dat for reading purpose. So this file reaches random access memory and by default the file pointer is at the beginning of the file. Now your get pointer contains the position of the file pointer from the beginning of the file. So now the file pointer is at the beginning of the file, so your get pointer contains 0. 0 means beginning of the file. Now after this is a class, this is an object of a class. So memory should be allocated like this: name, content, address. The content area is divided into two parts because this class consists of two data members, p code and p name. So divided into two parts. Now after this, cg. It is used to change the file pointer. And how does the change occur? The second argument is iOS substitution operator end. So from the end of the file, the pointer is moved by 0 bytes forward, which means now the file pointer is at the end of the file. So this file pointer reaches the end of the file. Now when the file pointer reaches the end, get pointer contains the position of the file pointer from the beginning of the file. So what is the position of this file pointer from the beginning? Calculation can be done like this. This is size of one record, and what is the size of one record? 2 plus 20. It is 22 bytes. So this is 1 into 22. This is 2 into 22, so certainly this will be 500 into 22. That is, get pointer contains the position of the file pointer from the beginning, which is nothing but 500 into 22. So now your get pointer contains 500 into 22. Now after this, the control comes here. So this message appears in the computer's monitor, followed by this one. Tell G returns the current value for get pointer. So what's the current value for get pointer? It is 500 into 22. So here you get 500 into 22 divided by size of p. What is size of p? This is integer, so 2 bytes. This is array of characters size 20, so 20 bytes. So 20 plus 2, this is 22. So here you get divided by 22. So 500 into 22 divided by 22, this gets cancelled. So here you get 500. So in the computer's monitor you get the answer 500 followed by end L. So cursor goes to next line. Now CG, changes the file pointer. And how does the change occur? The second argument is not given, so by default the second argument is beginning of the file. So from the beginning of the file, the pointer is moved by 70 into 22 bytes forward. So as you know, this is 1 into 22, this is 2 into 22, so 70 into 22 means the file pointer will be at the end of record number 70. So now the file pointer is here. When the file pointer comes here, get pointer contains the position of the file pointer from the beginning of the file. And what is the position from the beginning? This is 1 into 22, this is 2 into 22, so certainly this will be 70 into 22. So your get pointer contains 70 into 22. Now after this, the control comes here. Read function reads one record from the file. So from the current file pointer position, it reads one record and it is stored at object P. So from the current file pointer position, it reads one record means record number 71 will be read, and after reading record number 71, the file pointer will be at the end of record number 71. So now your get pointer contains the position of this file pointer from the beginning of the file, which is nothing but this is 1 into 22, this is 2 into 22, so certainly this will be 71 into 22. So now you get 71 into 22. One more read function. Read function reads a record from the binary file. So from the current file pointer position, it reads one record and it is stored at object P. So from the current file pointer position, it reads one record means record number 72 will be read, that is stored at object P. Now after reading record number 72, the file pointer will be at the end of record number 72. So your get pointer contains the position of this file pointer from the beginning of the file, which is nothing but 72 into 22. So this one contains 72 into 22. Now here you get the next answer, at product. So in the computer's monitor you get at product followed by in.tellg. Tellg returns the current value for get pointer. So here you get 72 into 22, the whole divided by 22. So this 22 and 22 gets cancelled. So here you get 72 plus 1, so it becomes 73. Remember, division has higher precedence when compared to plus. So first you need to do this division and after that plus 1. So you get the answer 73. And in dot close, this file removed from random access memory. Remember, it is still there in the hard disk. So for this given program, this is the output.